Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? Bienvenidos to the Spanish word of the day. Today's word is the word intelligent. How do we say intelligent in Spanish? How do we call somebody who's intelligent in Spanish? And by the way, I hope you're enjoying this series, the Spanish word of the day. If you do enjoy it, click the subscribe button as I upload daily. So every day you will be able to learn a new word and expand, enhance your vocabulary. Intelligent in Spanish is inteligente. 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 Yo soy inteligente. That means I'm intelligent. And this is the way you say for both male and female. Yo soy inteligente. He is intelligent. Él es inteligente. Él es, he is inteligente. I think he likes math, doesn't he? Él es muy inteligente. He is very intelligent. She is intelligent. Ella es inteligente. Come on, don't be shy. Repeat after me. Ella es inteligente. Ella es inteligente. I cannot emphasize enough how important it is for you to pronounce after me. Okay, let's see some examples using the past tense. Listen to my pronunciation and copy it. He was intelligent. Él era inteligente. Él era inteligente. One more time. Él era inteligente. She was intelligent. Ella era inteligente. Ella era inteligente. One more time, una vez más. Ella era inteligente. Inteligente, it's a spelling in Spanish, I-N-T-E-L-I-G-E-N-T-E, inteligente. Inteligente como tú, intelligent like you, my friends. Es inteligente means, is he or she intelligent? Es inteligente. One more time, una vez más. Es inteligente. That means, is he or is she intelligent? Inteligente. Muy bien. Thank you so much, my friends. Please subscribe and don't forget to check my other videos. I have more than 400 videos on my channel for you to learn Spanish. I hope to see you tomorrow, okay? Click the red button, subscribe, and hasta mañana. Ciao, ciao.